Hey divas, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this hair and makeup tutorial that I created using both the drugstore products and iron products, and also showing you how I install this hair. This is a Yaki Kinky Straight hair. It's 24 inches and it's 250 density by Darellahair. So if you're interested in this hair, feel free to check out the link below, and yeah, you can order yours as well. This is a 250 density hair, so in case you want that voluminous look and at the same time that natural texture to your hair but longer. It comes with lace that melts into your skin effortlessly. So feel free to check out the website. You can tell that we have this flawless look to this hair. Like, seriously, the lace melted into my skin effortlessly. And as I said, the installation is straightforward. I sprayed the hair glue spray on the hair, applied the melt belt elastic band, take it off, and then cut the lace and then apply the elastic band again, and then voila, simple and straightforward. Then I moved on to the makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be using more of drugstore products, which is by L'Oreal. I received these products from L'Oreal Paris, so I thought it'd be nice to share how I achieve this look using the products. It's an eyeshadow pencil. I think I've actually done something similar with the Laura Mercier pencil shadow sticks by Colourpop and Laura Mercier, and this is the L'Oreal version, and it's very creamy, very opaque, and yeah, amazing. So yeah, if you're looking if you're looking to achieve a simple gorgeous gold champagne look, then I'd highly recommend. Very easy to blend in as well. So those were the two products that I used for my eyes. Then I applied the lighter shade on my lids, and I used the darker shade, which is like a brownish shade, as my to define my outer crease and all of that. So then I moved on by applying my eyeliner, then straight to the eyelashes. And as always, I went ahead and used my primer by Naked Skin. That primer is actually one of the best that I've tried in ages because it's so flawless, and it makes the skin feel hydrated, flawless base. It serves as a flawless base for my foundation. So yeah, I really like this. So I use my NARS foundation, which is one of my favorites as well. Then straight on to the L'Oreal Paris concealer. Guys, you need to go and get this concealer. It's so amazing that it gave that high-end feel. I don't know, like no creasing, no cakiness. It's just so amazing. For the price, it's a bargain. Like, you won't be able to tell if it was actually an high-end concealer. But yeah, it blends in really well without feeling cakey, heavy on the skin whatsoever. And there was no creasing throughout the day. I highly recommend the concealer. For the price, it's a bargain. Yeah, and then I contoured my face as always with the Essence foundation, but the darker shade. And star of the show as always, my L'Oreal Paris spray. Oh gosh, I don't know if I've actually mentioned this is in my previous videos, but if you have been following me on Instagram, you know that I don't joke with this setting spray. It's the best. It keeps your makeup in place. Your makeup is going nowhere. Like, a must have in your makeup collection. So I finished with the lips by using the NYX gloss, lips, and lip gloss, and also lipstick by L'Oreal Paris as well. I'm going to check out the name and put it in the description box below. And yeah, that concludes the look. And let me know what you guys think. This is the finished look for the hair and makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Feel free to subscribe, share this video, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and share the video. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.